So now let's see how we can arrange text columns inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm just going to go around and let's say, for example, I'm going to choose a bigger paper size right here. Let's say, for example, a half letter. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this text tool right here and click and drag this out over here. And then I'm simply going to type in, let's say, for example, this is a paragraph right here. So this is a paragraph just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this and then paste this around a couple of times, as you can see right here, just like this. Let me just go around and copy this, and then I'm going to go around and press enter right here, and then go around and paste this a few times right here, just like this. So you can see that I got this content around over here. So let's just go around and remove these out as well. So now let's say you can see that this is a single column right now. So let's say what I want to do is I want to make this multi-column. In that case, what you can do is you can arrange out the text column right here by right-clicking on a blank sector in the toolbar area, and then you can select layout right here. So once you go around and do that, you can see that you get the layout option right here, and you can go around onto columns right here. And you can see that you can go ahead and add out the columns as you like. So you can make it 3 or 4 columns or 3 columns just like this, as you can see. And this is what you have. You can also go around and automatically adjust the frame width right here, just like this as well. And then what happens is that you get more columns right here out of the frame as well as you adjust this right here. But if I were to go around onto maintain, then what happens is that it uses the same particular spatial area right here as I work around with the columns. So right now you can see that I have equal column width turned on, but I can go ahead and turn this off right here, and then I can change around the width for a particular column right here, just like this as well. So I can go ahead right here and change around a particular column width according to how I want, press OK, and then this is what I have, as you can see. And I can go around and pull this out, as you can see right here. Apart from that, if I were to go around and select out this particular paragraph right here, I can go around onto its properties. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here onto Docker, onto properties right here. Then what happens is that you can see that over here in the section right here, so over here in the layout section, you got the column option right here, just like this as well. So you can go around and decrease this or increase this right here, and then you can adjust it according to how you want. And that is how you can arrange out text columns as you like inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.